Alright everyone, it is our first weekend in Antigua. We have enjoyed the first week. I'm finally off work, so we can actually go explore. But first we got errands to run. So we're gonna go drop off our laundry and try and get me a haircut because this is looking a little long.
Get the little curly in the back.
I got the whisk. As we were running around town, we kept noticing the cross on the hill, so we decided to go up there. The weather was clear and get some drone shots of Antigua. And no matter what angle I tried to capture it, you could not quite see the steepness of this hill that we were climbing up. Making progress. That's a big angle. We're pretending it's the altitude. And after scoping out the situation a bit and seeing a few other drones take off, we finally got the drone out and got some amazing shots of Antigua. Thanks for watching everyone, I hope you enjoyed.